How to lock photos on your Samsung device. Start by opening the Photos app on your Samsung phone. Then head to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. From the menu that pops up, tap the Settings gear icon. You'll see a bunch of options. Scroll all the way down and tap on About Gallery. Now tap the version number over and over until you get a message saying Gallery Labs is enabled. Once that's done, go back to the previous screen and now you'll see a new option called Gallery Labs. Tap on it. Scroll to the bottom again and look for something called Album Entry Locks. Turn on the toggle switch next to that option. After you enable it, go ahead and restart your device. Once your phone is back on, open the Photos app again. Now find the folder you want to lock and long press on it. At the bottom, tap the More option that shows up. From the list that appears, select Lock Album. That folder will now be locked, and anytime you try to open it, you'll need to verify your passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID.